Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So already we completed the chapters inverse trigonometry and matrices. Now today I am giving you the chapter determinants. So what is a determinant then? It is nothing but it is a continued part of the matrices. So what is a matrix? In the matrix, you know that the numbers are arranged in the form of row and column. And in that matrices we have studied different types of matrices, and the determinant is related only with square matrix. Underline that the determinant is related with only with the square matrix. That means I am explaining with the definition and example both. A determinant is a mapping or function from the set of square matrices to the set of real numbers. See, if I gave you the definition, you will not understand. If I explain with the help of example, then each and every step will be clear. Then what is a determinant? It is a mapping from the set of square matrices to the set of real numbers. We don't know anything, but we can understand it is related with the square matrix. Here I am writing one square matrix, and the determinant is written like this: A, B, C, D, and we are solving this. On the top we are writing plus and minus. So here from left top to right bottom we are multiplying, and middle we have to write minus because of this sign, and multiply these two. So this is how we are solving. That means we are defining a determinant only in square matrix, and when you are reading, read it as a determinant, not a modulus. So that I am writing in the form of remark, and students please take a paper and pen. I am giving you very slowly, so along with me go on writing this. So what is the first remark then? The first remark is for matrix A, see, this is a determinant, is read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. Not modulus of A. Underline this. Second one, only square matrix. Only square matrices have determinants. Understood? So first only I told you, only square matrix we are using. It is a continued part of the matrices. Now I am explaining each and every one step by step. First one, a determinant of a matrix of order 1. Order 1 means it contains only one element, one row, one column. So determinant of a matrix of order 1. Yes. Here we are writing a matrix having only one element. See, is it a matrix having only one element or what? And is it a square matrix or what? Yes. Why? It contains one element, one row and one column. That is 1 by 1. Be the matrix. Be the matrix of order 1. Then the determinant of A is defined and is equal to A. For example, if you have a matrix like this, any number, then its value, its determinant is 5. If it is a negative, don't make it a plus. For example, if it contains minus 4, its determinant value is minus 4 only, because it is not the modulus. Understood? Now I am giving you determinant of a matrix of order 2. Yes. Here consider a matrix of order 2. Write any general elements. See, let A is equal to AB first row, CD second row be the matrix of order 2. Then the determinant is defined and is equal to. So how you are writing? We are writing determinant of A, or like this, or determinant of A. Then how you write? In a two parallel lines, write down that values A, B, C, D, and take a pencil. By the pencil on the top, write down plus and minus. First from left top to right bottom we have to multiply. Middle minus, multiply these two. So this is how we are defining the determinant of matrix of order 2. So now we will start the examples. So along with me you are writing, no? Write down. So that's why I am explaining very slowly. Write down the examples. First one, 2, 4, minus 1, 2. And along with you keep the pencil on the top, write down plus and minus. So first from left top to right bottom we have to multiply. 2 into 2, middle minus because of this side. Plus means no need to write that. Write down minus, multiply these two numbers. Minus 1, 4. It is 4, minus into minus plus. 1 4 the 4. So answer is 8. Second one, x plus 1, x minus 1, x. Again by pencil. So why pencil? Because for this is your reference. Plus minus. Multiply these two, x square. Middle minus, multiply these two, and they are in the form of expression. So I am writing it in the bracket. X square, multiply these two, they are in the form of a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Remove the bracket. X square minus x square, minus into minus plus. So your answer will be 1. Like this we are solving a determinant of order 2. I am giving you some more example. Don't worry, I will make you perfect. Then only I will move to the next. 1, 3, 5, minus 8. So this is the third example. On the top plus minus as usual. 1 into minus 8. Middle minus 5 into 3. Yes. It is minus 8 minus 15. What is the answer? Minus 23. Remember, it is not the modulus. That's why we are getting negative answer also. Next. Shall I give you some questions for your practice? Write down this. 0, 3, minus 2, minus 5. Next. X, x square, y, y square. Note down this. Next one. 1, 3, minus 5, 2. These are the questions. These are for your practice. Now we are moving to the next example. Find determinant of AB if A is equal to, the matrix is given and the matrix is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, and the matrix B is 1, 0, minus 1, 0. So what you are doing? First time multiplying AB. Already we are familiar with the multiplication of the matrices in the previous chapter, that is matrices. First row with first column. The multiplication is possible because matrix A has order 2 by 2. B also has a order 2 by 2. See here. Again the resulting matrix also have the order 2 by 2. Multiply. First row with first column. It is 1 into 1. 1 minus 2. Then first row with second column 0 plus 0, then second row with first column 3 plus 1, then 0 plus 0. Simplify this. This is minus 1 0 4 0. Now it is a AB, but we want the determinant of AB. Yes. Now with you have the pencil, no? On the top plus minus. From left top to right bottom. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Middle minus. Multiplication of these two is also 0. Finally our answer is 0. So like this we are solving. Moving to the next one. Two minus 3, 1 4. As usual, on the top plus minus. So from left top to right bottom, directly can we write the value? 2 into 4 is 8. And middle minus. Multiply these two numbers. It is a minus, so write it in the bracket. 8 plus 3, that is 11. So next questions are assignment. It is 4006. That means assignment means just to make you a perfect. I am giving you some examples. 4, 5, 6, 7. And the next one, x, y, y, x. Next, tan x, secant x. This is secant x, tan x. Next three I am explaining you. These are the assignment questions for you. That means for your practice. As I told you, if you are perfect, then only I will move to the next one. Next question. Cos theta minus sin theta, and this will be sin theta cos theta. On the top write on plus and minus. So from left top to right bottom, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Middle minus, sin theta into minus sin theta is minus sin square theta. And minus into minus is what? Plus. Cos square theta plus sin square theta will be 1. So like this we are solving the examples. Now next one. 2, 4 minus 1 minus 5. As usual plus minus. That's why I told you to keep the pencil with you. Now from left top to right bottom, it is minus 2. Middle minus. Minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. It is minus 2 plus 20. That is equal to 18. Now next question. X square minus x plus 1. This is x minus 1, x plus 1, and the next one is x plus 1. So again plus and minus on the top. Multiply these two brackets, these two terms, write it in the bracket. Then middle minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. Here multiply term by term. X square into x is x cube plus x square. Next with minus x into x is minus x square. This is minus x plus 1. Multiply these two. They are in the form of a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. Here plus x square minus x plus x get cancels. What is remaining? X cube plus 1. And here take minus inside the bracket. Your answer will be x cube minus x square plus 2. Understood? Next, in the same category, we have a different type of questions. The way of asking is different, and remember, these questions you will get in 1 mark in part A. Solve for x. So first one is x 5, 3x is equal to 0. It is given for you. And the students, already we are familiar in the inverse trigonometry. When the question is solved for x, we have to write LHS as well as RHS. So in the solution, write down the given expression as it is. Consider, after writing LHS and RHS, solve this left part. As usual, plus and minus. X into x is x square, and this is minus 15 is equal to 0. Then x square is equal to 15. What is x? X is plus or minus square root of 15. See, is it very simple or what? So these type of questions you will get in part A for 1 mark. Second question, same, in the same category, solve for x. I am giving you the next one. 4 minus x, x4 is equal to 0. Here also, as usual, it is minus 4. We have to write LHS as well as RHS. After writing, expand the left part. It is minus 16. Minus this minus and this minus becomes what? Plus x square is equal to 0. See why I wrote directly? I think now you are familiar how to write. Then what is x square? X square is 16. X is plus or minus 4. I am sure now you are following each and every problem. In the next one, third problem. Two x plus 1, this is 3 minus 1, 4 is equal to 0. On the top, plus minus. Multiply these two. It is 2x plus 1. This is the third problem. 2x plus 1 into 4. This minus and this minus becomes plus. So it is 8x plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. 8x plus 7 is equal to 0. 8x is equal to minus 7. X is minus 7 by 8. Now, shall I give you the some questions as an assignment? Same, under the same category. Solve for x. 4x 6 7 is equal to 0. Next one. 1x x1 is equal to 0. Yes. Have you noted down this? See the next one. Next example. If a is equal to 1 2 4 2, then show that determinant of 2a is equal to 4 into determinant of a. I know that our students are very happy if the question contains show that or prove that. Why? Because they know how to adjust the answer. Even though they are not getting the answer, they know how to adjust the answer. First we have to go for 2a. That is a scalar multiplication. Each number of the matrix is multiplied with 2. Then find the determinant of this. And as usual, plus minus. It is 8. It is 32. What is your answer? Your answer is minus 24. Then go for the next. Find the determinant of a. As usual, plus and minus. 2 minus 8, that is minus 6. 4 into determinant of a. 4 into minus 6. It is minus 24. See this answer and this answer. Are they same or what? Let us call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, what you are observing? We are observing that 2 into determinant of 2 into a is equal to 4 into determinant of a. Next one. Find the value of x if 2, 4, 5, 1 is equal to 2x, 4, 6x. See students, note it very carefully, because if the same question comes in the matrices middle equal sign, just we are equating the corresponding elements, correct or not? We are equating the corresponding elements, but in the determinant we cannot equate. We have to write the LHS as well as RHS in the solution, because the question is find the value of x. At that time write the LHS and RHS as it is. After writing LHS and RHS, expand this, find the determinant of this, plus minus plus minus. Solve this. It is 2 minus 20 is equal to 2x square minus 24. Understood? From left top to right bottom and here to here. So it is minus 18 and I took minus 24 this side, plus 24 is equal to 2x square. What is 24 minus 18? One is a plus and one is a minus. What you are doing? We are subtraction. 24 minus 8 is 6 is equal to 2x square. Then what is x square? X square is 6 by 2, that is 3. This implies x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. Is it clear? Shall I give you the next one as an assignment? The same question. Solve for x. 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to x3, 2x, 5. Remember students, you cannot write directly. We have to solve the determinant. We cannot equate the corresponding elements. Only in matrix we can equate. Next. If x to 18x is equal to 6 to 18 2, then x is equal to, first option 6, second one plus or minus 6, third minus 6, 4, 0. So here now I am giving you the multiple choice question. Two determinants are given for you and it is given that they are equal. So in the solution write down that LHS and RHS as it is and expand. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus minus. X into x is x square minus 36 is equal to, right side 36 minus 36. So x square minus 36 is 0. X square is equal to 36. X is equal to plus or minus 6. Then tell me what is the answer? The answer is second one. So in this class I explained the determinant of order of a matrix of order 1 and a matrix of order 2. First make a perfect in this. If you are thorough in this, in the next class I will explain the determinant of matrix of order 3. And for our second year syllabus, that is of order 3 we have. In the higher classes we have order 4. But up to our second year syllabus it is of order 3. So after watching, give your comments on the comment box and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.